Every day my dropshippers, new dropshippers, upcoming dropshippers always asking me, Nazmul bro, supplier, I am not going viral because I have no paid ads budget, so I am doing organic dropshipping, but my any video don't go viral. So my friend, I will tell you now why you don't go viral and what is the solution, and I will show you exactly the proof how you can make go viral. So this is a video which is 64,000k engagement, I mean likes, 226 comments. So the engagement, the comment, all everything is good, but the video, you can see the Como Buen Hombo, it's a localized stores product. They are doing organic dropshipping, and okay, start the video. He kept the fish in the water. He is connecting, making the remote taking. Okay, and now boom. Okay, he is playing with this dolphin. Okay, everything is very fine, simple. uh, okay, the hook is also good. If the hook is not good, the comment you will not get 226. So overall everything is fine. Now we will read the comment. Just read the comment, what the people are commenting. The comment is 11 week ago. Yo Kori, the gross seed translation. Okay, I want one of those. Okay, comment is good. Yo Tongo, okay, seed translation. I have mine. It's so good. Lol. Comment is also positive comments. Seed translation. 12 week ago. Much needed. Next is buying a wire sheet. Okay, every comment is within 2 months. Okay, so everyone is commenting also very good. My friend, I have a question. Please comment below where you are making a video: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or Snapchat. Where you want to go viral? If your answer is TikTok, then please, first of all, right now TikTok is very competition, and lot of organic dropshipper is gathering in TikTok. TikTok's algorithm is now confused that why people are making lot of videos and lot of dropshippers are trying to get sales or going viral trying in TikTok, because TikTok is kind of a entertainment platform. The mindset of the audience, they always wants to go in TikTok. They will see dance, funny video, motivational video, entertainment, lot of. But when they will see a product video, then it's kind of moving to them with their store. So in here you have to very expert in psychologically. So right now I am suggesting you to go on YouTube Shorts plus Instagram. This is an Instagram product video. This guys is making a lot of engagement by in Instagram. Instagram has less competition, and in Instagram also 40% audience go for buying a product. Okay, but in TikTok I think 10% is not go for buying product. So you have to come first Instagram and also YouTube Shorts, because people are search on YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine. So YouTube Shorts and Instagram, I suggest. YouTube Shorts, you can do very good SEO, keyword research, and good video. And Instagram also same. And the product you have to find on Instagram from your competitor, like this one. This is not winning product, I will not tell, but this is example. Then just find product from Instagram and then recreate it by your own unique twist. Very simple. By your own unique story, your unique angle, marketing angle, and then just share on Instagram and YouTube. Don't go on TikTok. So your hook will be in the text on the video, and video will be maximum 15 seconds, not high, okay, because people have no enough time to see your 15-20 second video. They just love to scroll, see next video. That's why keep the short video, and in short video 2 to 3 seconds first, make a very good hook like this, and then the video body will be the product benefit, the product, why this product will change their daily life, why this product give them more fun, more enjoy, more solve, more benefit. And the CTO will be just asking questions. If you have own voice, this is good. Just ask a question, no ask for buy, that link in bio, click on the store links, it's spammy. You have to ask a different angle, like do you think this product is very enjoyable for daily life, or even ask a product question, that this dolphin, if it will be big, how this looks like. I mean, something very interesting question, ask the audience. Then they will hook, they will comment, and from if 5% people out of 100, so 5 people if buy, this is good. So it will be 1000, it will be 50, 100,000, it will be 500. So it's very good. And now organic dropshipping's profit margin is around 50%. So my friend, my suggest, go on Instagram, YouTube, take a good video, good product, make a good video, okay, then you will go viral, okay.